In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived emails in Gmail. If you've ever cleaned up your inbox and archived a message, then later realized you still needed it, you're not alone. The good news is that archived emails are not deleted. They're simply removed from your main inbox view. They're still in your account, and I'll show you exactly how to get to them and search through them. First, open Gmail on your computer using any web browser. Make sure you're signed into the right Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once Gmail loads, you'll usually land in your inbox by default. Now move your eyes over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gmail lists your labels, like inbox, starred, snoozed, and so on. If you don't immediately see a long list of labels, that's normal. Gmail often hides some of them to keep things tidy. Look for a small option that says More in that left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on More to expand the full list of labels and folders. When that list expands, scroll down until you find a label called All Mail. This is the key spot for finding archived emails. Click on All Mail and Gmail will show you every message in your account, emails in your inbox, archived emails, and other messages that aren't in trash or spam. Any message you've archived will appear here, just without the inbox label on it. If you're looking for a specific email and don't want to scroll through everything, use the search bar at the top of the page. One helpful trick is to type in archive to focus on messages that are not currently in your inbox. You can also combine that with other details. For example, search by the sender's name, a word from the subject line, or a keyword you remember from the email. The more specific you are, the faster you'll find what you need. You can also just search normally by typing a name, subject, or phrase, and Gmail will look through all your emails, including archived ones. Once you find the message, you can open it, reply, or move it back to your inbox if you want it to be easier to find next time. And that's all there is to it. By using the All Mail view in the search bar, you can quickly find any archived email in Gmail whenever you need it.